How old are Saturn's rings? Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic sights in the solar system. But here's something surprising: they might be a lot younger than you think. Let's dive into the mystery. How old are Saturn's rings, really? What we used to think for a long time, scientists believed Saturn's rings were as old as the planet itself, around 4.5 billion years. The idea was, they formed from leftover debris during Saturn's formation, and just stuck around ever since. But new evidence has flipped that theory on its head. What Cassini found: NASA's Cassini spacecraft spent 13 years orbiting Saturn and made the most detailed study of the rings ever. In 2017, during its grand finale, Cassini did a series of close dives between the planet and the rings, measuring their mass composition and how much dust was coating them. Here's what it found. The rings are surprisingly light, much less massive than we thought. They're bright and icy, not darkened by space dust like ancient material would be. They appear to be no older than 100 to 200 million years. That means Saturn's rings could have formed during the age of dinosaurs on Earth. So where did they come from? There are a few leading theories. A large moon or comet got too close to Saturn and was torn apart by its gravity, a process called tidal disruption. Two moons may have collided, spraying icy debris into orbit. They could be recycled material from older rings or moons that reformed more recently. Whatever the cause, the rings are likely temporary, not permanent. Are they disappearing? Yes, slowly. Cassini also discovered that Saturn's rings are raining particles into the planet's atmosphere. Tiny ice grains spiral inward, pulled by gravity and electromagnetic forces. This ring rain is removing tons of material every second. At this rate, the rings could vanish entirely in the next 100 to 300 million years. So how old are Saturn's rings? Not billions, but hundreds of millions of years old, at most. In cosmic time, they're young. And in the future, they'll be gone. We happen to be alive during a rare window in Saturn's life, when its icy crown is still shining bright.